Greetings, people of the interwebs, again. How are you doing? Bit of a weird angle, this. It feels like you can't see me. But anyway, look how cold it is. Yeah, just a bit of an introduction. Went to a motorist today. It was a Vauxhall day, although there were hardly any Vauxhalls there. But as a change to how we normally do things. Right, let's try that again with a stupid phone. As a change how we normally do things, what I did is I took some stills, and what I'll do is I'm going to try and record like a voiceover over at Top Room, just to see how that turns out. So yeah, we'll see what it's like. Not done it that way before. Thought it'd just be easier than wandering around and with a microphone on and then trying to video stuff, because people seem to be a bit weirded out when you're walking around with a microphone on, and it's hard to be able to get a chance to sort of talk as well. So that's cool. There we'll see how it goes. At the end of this video, you'll either have an outro with me going, "That were good, worked out really well," or it'll be, "That was shite, I'm not going to do that again." So there you go. Catch you in a bit. So yeah, and some nice blue skies when we got there. It was a bit rainy on the way, and then as you probably see from this one, yeah, look, I saw that cloud that we were chasing down on his way in. Not many people turned up, surprisingly, at that time. Some Alphas were there. I like that one, like the telephone style wheels on it. Is it GTO? I'm not big on Alpha models. Nissan 350. Even though on that photo it looks like really squished up for some reason, I'm not sure why. But nice little thing. We're at an MX-5, blue MX-5. There were a red one that I was stood at the side of there as well. That were quite nice. Nice little touches. Some standard cars. A little Peugeot squished in middle. That Golf GTD was quite nice. I think it were in a Estate. I can't remember. Godzilla. Nissan GTR, I love them. I was saying if I ever win lottery, that's going to be the first car I buy. Vectra SRI, I think it was. They're kind of nice. Be nice to see one of them around. I was hoping to see some Mark IV Astras, but I didn't. Another VX220. There were a few there. I think they were like a club meet or something. There were about 6 or 7 of them on there, various colours and such. Civic Type R, really like them. If only they were 5-door, I got one, but yeah, they weren't. And I hear you've got to really push them to get most power out of them. 205 GTI with silly exhaust on it. Liked everything apart from silly exhaust. And then this thing was gorgeous. I think it's a 190, but yeah, them wheels are sort of spectacular. It's got a little Cosworth spoiler on it and everything. Clio Cup, they're nice little things. Quite light apparently and easy to chuck about, so yeah, they don't need a hell of a lot of power. An estate car with big wheels on it, that's totally my thing at the moment. Hopefully I'll be able to scratch that itch at some point soon. Little Mini Coopers. I like the wheels on the one closest to us, but I prefer the car furthest away from us on that one. Oh, that Corsa C, I think it is. Massive engine it. I think it's 3.2 V6, I think it was. We'll have a look in a second. Yeah, there you go, V6 3.2. Yeah, apparently a bit sketchy on roads today because it was quite greasy, but apart from that, a hell of a lot of fun. Yaris GR4s, them wheels are so mint. I mean, look at that colour, gold, that's a really nice colour, that. More Alphas. I couldn't tell you what they are. Giulia, Mito and GTO, I think. Renault Megane Renault Sport. I think it were a petrol one. Or could it be a diesel one? I'm not sure actually. And then the Mark 1 Astra, that were my star of the show there. Look at them wheels, it's got little sign writing on them and everything. Lovely thing. Completely stripped out, debadged, just perfect as it is, that thing. Lovely. And yeah, that was it for today.